Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. Today we have the third installment of our series, No Oven, No Problem. And what we're going to make this time is the beginner's version of a cheesecake. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. We'll start with the filling. Combine the quark cheese with the sugar, pudding mix, 250 milliliters of the cream, and half of the milk. Start mixing until you get a consistent mixture. I've started with a spoon, and once it combined a bit, I switch to a whisk. When you're done, take the remaining milk and the instant coffee and mix them together. We'll use that to dip our biscuits in. Just make sure you don't leave them there too long or they'll break. Start off with a layer of biscuits, add half the amount of the filling, and repeat the process one more time. Now this is where I've made a mistake and forgot the third layer of biscuits. It's important because the ganache will go on top of that. Speaking of which, for the ganache, take your chocolate and 50 milliliters of the cream and using a bain-marie, melt it down. Mistake number 2. Failed to notice I wasn't recording. Spread the ganache and keep it in the fridge overnight. Even with those mistakes, it still looks good and tastes amazing. But this is what it looks like when you don't forget the biscuits. So let me know in the comments below if you like this recipe, mistakes and all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!